Good day, everyone. Today we will present our Pecha Kucha presentation about mitigating impacts of typhoons. This Pecha Kucha slides presentation is made by Robert Torres, Emil Baron, and me, Gail Sia.
The contents of this Pecha Kucha presentation are the following. 1. What is mitigation? 2. What is a typhoon? 3. Impacts of typhoons. 4. Why is it important to mitigate impacts of typhoons? 5. Solutions to mitigate impacts of typhoons. And lastly, number 6. How does mitigating impacts of typhoons help?
So, what is mitigation? Mitigation is the reduction of something harmful or its harmful effects, and to make something less severe, serious, or painful.
What is a typhoon? A typhoon is a type of large storm system having a circular or spiral system of violent winds, typically hundreds of kilometers or miles in diameter. Typhoon is the name of these storms that occur in the western Pacific. Hurricane is the name to these storms in the Atlantic Ocean and eastern Pacific. In the Indian Ocean, they are called tropical cyclones.
Some of the impacts of typhoons are seen in the following pictures: floods, soil erosion, landslides, destruction of houses and infrastructure.
Why is it important to mitigate impacts of typhoons? Mitigation creates safer communities by reducing losses of life and property. It enables individuals and communities to recover more rapidly from disasters. Mitigation also lessens the financial impact of disasters on individuals, the treasury, and state, local, and tribal communities.
The following are the solutions to mitigate impacts of typhoons. Check the power lines of your house, secure and protect your home, listen to the radio or TV for information about the upcoming typhoon, prepare an emergency kit beforehand, make reinforcements in your house to minimize the damage, and turn off the utilities at your home if instructed.
For the solutions, for solution number 1, we should always check the power lines of our houses before a typhoon comes. Water and electricity is not a good combination, and in order to stay safe, we have to make sure our power lines are secure.
For solution number 2, securing and protecting our home lessens the possibility of the things in our house from getting destroyed, like documents. Barricading our doors or windows is a great way to protect our house.
For solution number 3, we should always listen to the radio or TV for information about the upcoming typhoon. This is important before, during, and after a typhoon in order to stay updated, to know what to do, and in order to stay safe.
For solution number 4, we should prepare an emergency kit before a storm. An emergency kit is important because it contains the things we will need in some situations during a storm.
For solution number 5, we should make reinforcements in our house before a storm to lessen the possibility of our house from getting damaged or destroyed. Putting grills on our windows is a great example of putting reinforcements in our house.
For solution number 6, we should turn off the utilities in our house, including lights, our TV, and electricity to prevent them from getting damaged from water.
How can mitigating the impacts of typhoons help? Mitigating the impacts of a typhoon can make our house more secured. It can give us more time to protect and secure important things. It helps us be ready when something unexpected happens during a typhoon, and it makes us safer during and after a typhoon.
That's it for our Pecha Kucha presentation about mitigating impacts of typhoons. Thank you all for watching.